Hi, this video is about the Nova Star 6 Rollator with the perfect fit size system. And that system allows you to adjust your rollator, the seat and the handle height, to get that perfect fit. And that allows you to have the most comfort and maximize your mobility. So just like with a bicycle, you're going to want that perfect fit on your bike, even more so with your rollator, and you can do that with the Star 6. It comes in two different options. We have the Petite option that is ideal for users 4'10" to 5'4", and then we have the standard option that is great for users 5'4" all the way up to 6'2". So I'll show you the sizing options in just a bit, but first I'm going to show you the great features it comes with, and then I'm going to show you how to quickly assemble and disassemble your Star. All right, so the Star comes with Nova's patented feather touch handbrake systems. This is so important because to be able to control and use your handbrakes is so important in using a rolling walker. So these brakes are so easy to pull up and control the speed. So you just simply grip up on it, and the distance is really small, so it's ideal for people with weak and small hands to control that speed. And then to lock the brakes in a parked position, you simply push down on this handle. It's very comfortable in the hands, and now your Star is in a locked, parked position. And it's in this position that you can take a seat. And I'm going to show you how to adjust the seat in a moment to get that perfect fit. You want to make sure that your brakes are always in that locked position the entire time you're seated and no scooting. And leave those brakes on when you get off. All right, now release the brakes. The Star comes with a padded backrest, very comfy. That's also flip up, and a roomy, thick, comfortable seat. And if you lift up the seat, you'll see a small pocket, and that's where we have our user guide, care, and warranty information, and how to contact us. All right, under the seat, you'll see a pouch, a roomy pouch for your personal belongings that comes with a liner. All right, now I'm going to show you how to fold and lock your Star, and that great feature, the lock and lift. So the first thing you're going to do is lift up the seat and then lock your brakes. You'll see that there is a seat handle here. Go ahead and pull up on that seat handle, and you're going to guide the front wheels towards the back. You're going to release the locking lift pin, and you're going to insert it through the hole. And now my Star is in a folded, locked position, making it so much easier to lift and get in and out of a car or storage space. So then I can bring it back, and then go ahead and release the brakes, pull out the pin, pull it back in its spot, and then squeeze the brakes and push outward. So easy to fold and unfold and lock. The Star also comes with this great feature, foot pedals. And then you can use the foot pedals that's right by the wheel, and that makes it so much easier to get your Star over a curb or a bump. All right, those are the amazing features of the Star, and now I'm going to show you how to get that perfect fit with that size system. Getting that perfect fit rollator for your body is so important to feel good with your rollator and also maximize your mobility. So for the seat height, we've got 4 options on the standard, 3 options on the Petite. So you're going to want your seat height so it's ideal for you in a seated position. So I'm about 5'5" today with my boots on, and you'll see that seated, my feet are dangling. So I'm going to need to lower my seat height. So it's so easy to do. We've got this push button system to get that perfect fit, and I'm going to go ahead and lower it 3 notches. All right, now I've lowered my seat height, and now when I sit down, my feet are flat on the ground and I'm in a much more comfortable seated position. Okay, so now my handle height. So you're going to want to adjust the handle to your wrist. That gives you a nice starting point so you have a good 30-degree bend in your elbow with good posture. So this one's a little high for me, so I'm going to lower it 1 notch. Okay, so about to my wrist, and then that way I've got a nice bend on my elbow and good posture. So I've just sized my Star 6 perfect for my body, both in a walking position and a seated position. Now I'm going to show you the quick and easy assembly. The Star 6 is so easy to assemble. It just takes a couple minutes and it's tools free. And that feature also makes the Star great for travel and storage because as easy it is for me to put it together, I can take it apart, store it, and then put it back together. All right, so when you get the Star 6, you'll have the frame, you'll have a set of brakes and wheels, a set of the front wheels, and then the backrest. So the first thing you're going to do is to unlock the frame. So remember that lock and lift pin? Go ahead and pull that out and then put it in its holder. So I'm going to open up the frame, and that makes it a lot easier to assemble the legs. So you're going to want the Nova logo facing towards you, okay? And then just pull these brackets down. That way the frame stays nice and open. And there are my user guides. All right, just leave them right here. Okay, so first let's insert the front wheels. Okay, and so everything comes together with these push buttons. Go ahead and insert it into the frame, push the button, and you'll hear it lock into place. Same with the other side. All right, so now let's turn it over for the back legs. So you'll see here that there is going to be a right side and a left side, and there are stickers that show that. And then here I've got my right for this right side here, and you'll see the sticker right on the product. So you're going to want the brake shoe facing outward, insert the leg, push the button. All right, and it locks into place. And then same with the other side. Okay, so now I attach the cable to the cable holder. Okay, and go ahead and pick up your walker. And now to attach the handle. Same thing, insert, push the button, and it locks into place. All right, and the last step is the backrest. So you want to push down these holders, go ahead and insert it into the tube, push the brass button, give it a nudge, and it just snaps into place. All right, there you go. That was a very quick and easy assembly of the Star 6. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care, use, and warranty information and how to contact us anytime.